Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Mathematics Grade 10 Banking Lesson class. Today I am explaining one more types of problems based on time period. Means in the maturity value formula you know that n term will come. N means number of months. How many months they deposited. That n value I am finding based on that related problem. Today I am explaining. Exercise A question number 10th problem. That is based on time period related problem. I will read. Mr. Gulati has a recurring deposit account of rupees 300 per month. If the rate of interest is 12% and the maturity value of this account is 8,100, find the time in years. After find out the n value, you should represent in years of this recurring deposit account. What are the given data? What is this 300 rupees? This is per month amount. Per month means P value. So coming to the solution, P is equal to rupees 300. Next, rate of interest means R value. That is 12%. Next, maturity value of this account is rupees 8,100. I am going to finding the time. Time is nothing but n. After find out in months, converted into years. Coming to the this type of problem, find the time n value find means you take complete maturity value formula, no problem. Complete maturity value formula, what will come? Observe carefully. See, maturity value is equal to Pn plus I. We want n value. In interest formula also n will come. That formula also I will write directly here. See, observe carefully which are the data I will substitute. See, maturity value is equal to Pn plus I formula, what will come? I will write here only Pn of n plus 1 of R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Now I will substitute all the values. Maturity value amount how much? 8,100 is equal to P value 300, n value we don't know, right? As it is, use the bracket, plus again P value, what is it? 300 into n as it is, n plus 1 as it is, R value 12 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Now which are the terms cancellation will happen? Observe carefully. In this fraction, 300 into n of n plus 1 into 12 is a denominator 2 into 12 into 100. This 12 ones are cancelled. 100 ones are 100 threes are. Okay. 100 ones are 100 threes are. Next, these 2 ones are. See, only in this fraction numerator and denominator I am dividing. Remaining other things I will write as it is. This 8,100 I will write as it is equal to 300 n plus remaining which are the 3 into n of n plus 1 divided by only 2 is it. What can you do now? See, I will take 2 LCM in this 2 term. See, I will take LCM 2 is LCM 2, 1 and 2 is LCM is 2. Then, see here this fraction denominator 1 is there. LCM 2 is there. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 into 300 became 600 n plus this one, I will write 3n of n plus 1 is this left hand side 8,100. What next step? What can I do? This 2 transfer to left side, cross multiplication. 2 into 8,100 into 2 is equal to 600n plus. Now I will remove the bracket. 3 into n into n square means 3n square plus 3n into 1 3n. Now simplification very important. 3n square I will write here plus 3n, then 3n and 600n it became 603n. 603n. This one comes to right side, it became negative. Then 2 zeros as it is, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Now we got it. This one 3n square plus 603n minus 16,200 days. Now Now it is in the form of quadratic equation is equal to 0. By factorizing, we will get n value. N value, two values will come. We will consider only positive value, negative value will not consider. Shall I factorize this one? This three terms is divisible by 3. How means? Look here. This is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 0, 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. I will do 3 ones are 3, 1 will come n square. N square plus 3 2s are 0, 3 1s are n minus 3 5s are 15, 1 carry it became 12, 3 4s are 12, 0 is equal to 0. Now, see here n square is it. Now how to do you know that factorization? First term last term product, what will come? Minus 5400 n square. This to splitting, the middle term is plus 201 n is it. Now, this one, numerical coefficient what is it? That two factor product is equal to 5400 will come. The two factors addition or subtraction 201. How to do you know that? I will show. 5400 going to factorization, prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 zeros. 3 9s are 2 zeros. 3 3s are 300s are 5 20s are 5 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. Now these are all factors are this many factors are there converted into only two factors. How to do? I will show. Look here. 2 2s are 4 is it. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 75 3s are 275. 3s are 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 7s are 35 30. 75 3s are 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 7 21 22, 225 came. See, 5 5s are 25, 25 is 75, 75 3s are 225 came. So remaining 4 is it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. See, this 2, this 1 2 3, 3 factor product 24. This 4 factor product is, this 4 factor product is 24. This 4 factor product is 225. This 2 subtraction we get 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 2 0 2. Now see 225 n 24 n. This 2 subtraction we will get 201. See here solution positive sign is there, here plus, here minus. Why? Because plus into minus minus, this 2 product 5400 n into n square. Plus 225 minus 24 will get plus 201 n. Now I will continue. Like you should factorize, you should learn. Okay. Now I will continue to instead of 201. See n square as it is plus. Instead of 201 n I will write these two terms. Plus 225 n minus 24 n minus 5400 is equal to 0. Now what next step? Grouping. Two terms grouping. This two term grouping. In this two, n is common factor n plus 225. In this two, minus 24 common factor n plus 225 is equal to 0. How I wrote this one 225 means these two product you know that 5400. Otherwise in this group inside the bracket what is the same term will come, you understand. Now n plus 225 take the common factor, remaining n minus 24 is equal to 0. Finally this one equated to 0, n is equal to minus 225 or n is equal to plus 24. Now this one n is equal to minus 225 neglecting. This one is neglecting. Therefore n is equal to 24 months. This is months always. N value in months will come. Converted into year is, see, n is equal to 2 years. The required answer is how many months deposited 300 rupees he will get at the time of maturity 8100 means 2 years Mr. Gulati deposited at the rate of 12%, he will get 8100 each. Okay. I will go to one more problem based on time period. In the exercise B, question number 3, this problem also related to time. The maturity value of a recurring deposit account in rupees 16,176. If the monthly installment is rupees 400 and the rate of interest is 8%, find the time or period of this RD account. Very easy, is that? Coming to the solution. Okay. What are the given data? I will write down. What is this? This is maturity value in the recurring deposit account. Means maturity value amount. See, 16,176. Monthly installment means P value is equal to rupees 400. The rate of interest R is equal to 8%. I am going to finding the N means time or period. What is that? Now for this problem, this type of based on time problem, you should write down complete formula. Maturity value is equal to Pn plus I. I formula, you know that. Again Pn of n plus 1 of R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Whole means for this fraction only, whole divided by, I am telling. Okay, now I will substitute the values. Interesting is there, observe carefully. See, maturity value 16,176 is equal to P value 400, N value don't know, use the bracket, plus P value again 400, N value as it is N plus 1 as it is, R value 8 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. You go through the easy simplification, don't go lengthy. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Next 100 1s are 100 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. Denominator we got it 3, numerator we got it 4. Now remaining I will write as it is here. 16,176 is equal to 400 N plus N of N plus 1 of 4 divided by 3 only. Now I will take the LCM. Last previous problem I will take right hand side only, I will take the LCM. Okay, very easy is it. See, 3 is the LCM. 3 and 1 LCM is 3. Draw the line is equal to, see, this fraction multiplied by 3, numerator multiplied by 3. 400 into 3 became 4 3s are 12. 20 as it is N plus multiply by N and 4. 4 into N 4N, 4N into N, 4N square plus N into 4 into 1, 4N. Then left hand side 16,176. What next step? Cross multiplication. This 3 cross multiply to left side numerator. I will write as it is in product. 16,176 into 3 is equal to this 1200N plus 4 became 1204 plus 4N square. Why? These two are like terms. 4N, N terms, N term, positive, positive addition, 1200N plus 4N became 1204N. Now, these two are divisible by 4. This one also divisible by 4. You should reduce the coefficient value. See, divided by 4 I am doing, see, N square plus 4 3s are 12, 0, 4 1s are 4N is equal to 4 4s are 16, 0, it became 17, 4 4s are 16, 1 carry it became 16, 4 4s are 16 into 3. Now, N square plus N square plus 301N, this one comes to that side, it became negative. I will continue, observe carefully. See, N square I will write as it is plus 301N. This one come to that side minus, multiply, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry, 3 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1 1, 3 4s are 12 is equal to 0. Now what next step? See, now factoration. See, N square plus 301N minus 12,132 is equal to 0. This last term and first term product is minus 12,132 N square. Draw two line, middle term is plus 301N. See, this one we are splitting by with the help of these two product. Now 12,132 I am factorizing. Prime factorization, you know that. See, I am dividing by 3. 3 4s are 12. 0, 3 4s are 12. 1 carry it became 12. 3 4s are. Then again 3. 3 1s are 3. It became 10. 3 3s are 9. 1 it became 14. 3 4s are 12. It became 24. 3 8s are 24. Now this one divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. It became 14. 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8. Again, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6. One carry becomes 14, 2 sevens are 14. 337 is not divisible by any number. It is a prime number. Okay, now see this this 4 factor product is 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 threes are 36. See, 337 subtracted 36, you will get 301. Yes, 7 minus 6 became 1, 3 minus 3 0, then 3. See, now see this term factors 3 3 2 2, this 337. See, this 4 factor product subtracted with this term, you will get 301 means 337n, then 36n. See, this two subtraction we are getting plus 301n means this is positive sign, this is negative sign. You already studied grade 9 how to factorize. Now these two plus into minus minus, these two product 12,132n, n into n square. These two subtraction we get plus 301n. Now I will write instead of 301, which two terms shall I write here? These two terms. Now I will continue. See, n square as it is plus 337n minus 36n minus 12,132 is equal to 0. Now grouping the two terms. See, these two term grouping, n is common factor, n plus 337. These two minus 36 common factor, n plus 337 is equal to 0. How I wrote this one 337 directly means, in this two which is inside the bracket, that term same as it is, right? Here minus 36 is there. You should take common factor, you will get plus n. Okay, like this. Now n plus 337 common factor, remaining n minus 36 is equal to 0. Now these two binomials separately equated to 0. See, n is equal to minus 337 or n is equal to plus 36. This one neglecting. This one finally n is equal to 36 months. In this question they did not mention anything. Write the time in years. What you got it, that you should write it. Okay, easy is it. Here small little how to factor is very important. Okay, I'll go to one more problem. In the exercise B, question number 4, this problem is related to every month how much deposit. I will read the question. This is a little different and application problem. Means after 2 years I am going to purchasing one things. I need 30,000 rupees. How can I deposit every month? That type of practical application problem, this one I'll read. Mr. Bajaj needs 30,000 after 2 years. What least money in multiples of rupees 5 must be deposit every month in RD account to get required money at the end of 2 years. I want at the end of 2 years 30,000 rupees. The rate of interest being 8% per annum. Very easy. Last previous class, this type of problem we already saw how to find the monthly installment. Coming to the solution, what are the given data? I will write down. See, n is equal to 2 years. This one first converted into months. 2 into 12 is equal to 24 months. Okay, what next step? I need 30,000 rupees. That is at the end of 2 years, means that is at the end of 2 years what will get? Maturity amount. You should consider that maturity value is equal to rupees 30,000. Okay, next, rate of interest is equal to 8%. Very interesting problem, but P value we don't know. We are going to finding the every month deposited amount in multiples of 5. I will write first formula. Maturity value is equal to Pn plus I. First I will find here I value. I formula what is that? You know, I is equal to Pn plus I. Sorry, Pn of I formula is equal to Pn of n plus 1 of R divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Dear children, in this lesson, 4 types of problem I divided and I solved. But now I am mixed problem I am solving. First I solved based on how to find the maturity amount. Second step, based on rate of interest problem. Third method based on how to find the monthly installment. Fourth method, time. How much time if I deposited every this amount, I will get this amount, like this, the type of problem. This one also, like which method problem, how to take the formula, I explain neatly, don't take confusion. You should make one formula book and then maintain. This type of problem came is how to solve. You should keep in your mind one steps, concept steps. Now I substitute the values. What is the values? P value, we don't know. I write as it is P. N value 24 months. 24 plus 1, R value 8 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. This one is possible to simplify. S. I write I is equal to P as it is, N value 24. 24 plus 1 became 25 into 8 divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Now easy simplification, look here. 12 ones are 12 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 twos are. We got I is equal to 2P only. Okay, easy. Now again I will go to maturity value formula. Maturity value is equal to Pn plus I. Now I will substitute the values. Maturity value is 30,000 is equal to P value don't know, N value 24 plus I value 2P. In this 2, I will take P common factor, remaining 24 plus 2, then P of 26, then this side 30,000. Now I want P value. This 26 is product with P. This one comes to denominator of left side. 30,000 divided by 26 is equal to P. This one you should divide by in easy table. You know that. This one you go to 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 threes are. Then this one 2 ones are. Then 2 fives are. Then remaining 3 zeros. 15,000 is not divisible by 13. You should go to long division. 13, 15,000. 13 ones are 13. 2 carry 20. 13 ones are 13. Then 7 carry, it became next zero 70. Then 13 fives are 60. 5 carry, it became 0. Then 13 threes are 39. Then 10 minus 9 became 1. 4 minus 3 became 1. Now this one decimal point will come. Decimal point and 0. Then after for the decimal point, I got 110. See, 110 divisible by 13 means 13 eights are. 13 eights are 104. Then I got 6. Then again decimal point 0. 13 fours are 52. Then enough. See, I got P is equal to 1153.84. We got it. See, we want multiples. Yes, multiple of rupees 5 we want, because therefore P is equal to 1153.84 is very near to the 52 point K means we will write 50. See, example, you know, dear children, see 12.5 is a near is 15 will come, 11.5 is a very near 10 will come. Like here also 53 very near is 55, because 1155 rupees is every month. If they deposited, he will get after 2 years 30,000. Like this is practical problem. Okay, easy is there. How to divide you should practice. Don't use the class. I will go to one more problem in the B exercise. In the B exercise, question number 7. Deepa has a 4-year recurring deposit account in a bank and deposits rupees 1,800 per month. If she gets 1 lakh rupees 8,450 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest. In this problem, we are going to finding the rate of interest, means R value. This value is maturity amount. Okay. Now everyone deposit is 1,800. How many months? 4 years is there, converted into months. Coming to the solution, see, N is equal to 4 year is there. 4 years converted into months. 4 into 12. 12 4 48 months. Next, deposited every month. P is equal to rupees 1800. Then maturity value is equal to rupees 1,08,450. Then we are going to finding the rate of interest. What can you do? Next step, you already understand. See, I will write first formula, maturity value is equal to Pn plus I. In which type of problem came means I will write complete formula with respect to I formula also in the same formula. When they will ask find the time, that time I will write down complete formula. If they ask principal amount, every month deposited amount, then you go to separate first to find out interest, then in terms of P, then you should use this formula. If they ask find interest amount also, you should use separate interest formula. Then when they ask find the rate of interest, that time use separate interest formula. I is equal to Pn of n plus 1 of R divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Now I will substitute the values. See, P value what is it? 1800. N value 48 months. 48 months. Then again n plus 1 means 48 plus 1. R we don't know. Divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Now I will simplify and I will write down I is equal to 1800 as it is. N value 48. 48 plus 1 became 49 into R divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Now what next step? You know, simplification. Then this one, 12 ones are 12 fours are 48. Then 2 ones are 2 twos are, see, 2020 over. Then remaining denominator over I is equal to 18 into 2 into 49 into R. Next, see, this two product, 18 twos are 36, multiply with 49 R. See, then I is equal to 36 to 49 R. 36 to 49 I will multiply. I is equal to, see, this two product, 9 6 I will multiply here. 36 into 49, 9 6 54 4 5 carry, 9 3 27 plus 5 33, 32, 27 plus 5 32. Next 4 6 24, 2 carry, 4 3 12 plus 2 14. Then 4 6 7 1, 1764 R. I value we got it. Okay, I value means in terms of R we got it. Now I will go to next main formula, maturity value formula. You know that. I will write that maturity value formula. Maturity value is equal to Pn plus I. I substitute the values of which one? Maturity value 1,08,450 is equal to P value 1800. N is 48 plus this one 1764 R. What next step? See, this type of problem I told first you find out the interest amount also. Otherwise you should go through this method also. Two method is no problem. Okay. Now what can I do here? See, this two product you should multiply 1800 into 48. Then 8 into 0 0, 8 8 is 64, 6 carry, 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 6 24, 8 plus 6 14. Then 0 0, 4 8 is 32, 2 3 carry, 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 7. Then 0 0 4 6 8, 86,400. Now 1,08,450. This product numerical comes to left side, minus 86,400 is equal to 1,764 R. Next, this two subtraction, how much will come? See, 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus 0 5, then 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 6 2, then 10 minus 8 became 2 is equal to 1,764 R. Next, finally, R is equal to 22,050 divided by 1764. Now this division, how much will come? That is the R value. These two are divisible by 2 because 2 8s are 16, 1 carry 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 1s are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are. Next, this 2, I will go to division. It is divisible by, okay, I will go to long division, 8 8 2, then 1 1 0 2 5. Now 1s are 882, 0, 10 minus 2 became 2, then this is 10 minus 2 became 2, then it will get 5. Now 2s are 18 2s are 16, 18 3s are 24, it will come more. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry 2 8 16 plus 1 17. Then 1 4, 11 minus 7 became 4 0. Now decimal point 0, then I will go to 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 1 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 1 41 give 1, 4 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44. We got 0. Now R is equal to 12.5%. Finally you write R is equal to 12.5%. Some problem, you should go long division. See, find the rate of interest. I told two method. First, previous problem how I did. First I substitute maturity value is equal to P value substitute, N value substitute. I find out the interest amount. Like interest amount find out by substituting the formula. I substituted interest formula also. Interest amount I find out directly R value. But this problem, I find out interest amount in terms of R. This value I substituted year. This value I transferred to this side. I subtracted. I got 22,050. Then equated to, then this one transferred denominator. We got R value 12.5%. Easy is it? Should do hard work. Lesson wise, you should maintain the formula book, and which method problem how to solve, you should write down the note points yourself. Good luck. Thank you for watching the videos.